Okay, so what we have here is a custom proposal generated by AI in less than 60 seconds. It's gone to their website, gathered key information, done its research, and then generated this custom sales proposal that we're going to send directly to them. This is the kind of systems I build in my community. You can click the link below to get the prompt for this. I'm going to explain this a little, show you the details, and then I'm going to show you how you can turn this design into your own design. Basically, any design you want, we're going to build it right here on this video today. But realistically, all you need is an email to send to the prospect and their website and maybe their company name. And then what it's going to do is the research agent that I built in another video, which you can also watch with a link below, it's going to gather key information like the company summary, geographic focus, marketing signals about the company, the technology they're using, and a bunch of other conversion metrics. And then it's literally just going to get that data and it's going to code a HTML version of a PDF that I've already gave it, and I'm going to show you that in the next step. Let me just show you Visual Studio Code. So this is the code for the entire system, and you can just literally copy this MD file, which is in the link below in my community, and then just paste it in your own Codex setup. It's kind of confusing. There's a lot of different files. It is a Python-based agent, but in order to run it, which is kind of cool, you just got to say, let's run another company that hasn't been researched. And so what it's going to do is it's going to research it, and you're going to see it real time, all this information gathered. There you go. As you can see right there, you can see it just filled in that information real time. And there you can see it's generated a proposal for this company, American Ad Bag. If this was on a live environment, of course, I could click the link. I just had to copy and paste it here, but there you go, American Ad Bag. So it's gone over that company website, it's gathered key information, and then it's created this custom proposal, which is pretty friggin' cool. If you ask me, you know how much time it would take to build something like this, and you can customize it. You just got to go into your research agent and customize it. So what we want to do now is we want to give this proposal a custom design to go to build with. So if you don't want to use this design, it's not up your alley, just go to Canva. Okay, all right, let's use this here. Let's use that. Looks fine. You know, I just want to show you how you can be custom with it. Let's use this design here. So all you're going to do is you're just going to save this as a PDF, and then we're going to add this to our agent. How do we do that? So just click on share in Canva. You don't have to use Canva. It's just Canva is free. Let's download it. Let's download it as a PDF. Flatten it, whatever. Actually, just leave it like that. Download. Okay. Now we've got that. I think this will be fine for the proposal. 2, 3. Yeah, it looks good. Maybe we don't need the team and all that stuff. It's just a simple one. Okay. Okay, that's downloaded. So what we're going to do is we'll go into your Codex, and then literally, so get that proposal, and then just go into that file. Grab that file. All right, so let's go to downloads, grab that, and then we're just going to say now make all future, or now make now make the next proposal designs to use this attached design. Remove any irrelevant information and keep it structured similar to what we used previously. Okay, so then next I'm just going to run one of these and then see how it produces that design. So there you go. I have enough here. Codex says I have enough here to implement the switch now. The new reference 5-page geometric deck. So I'm replacing the current long form green document with a tighter 5-page structure. Of course, you can actually have it so it has multiple designs if you want. You know, you could call that design 2, that one design 1. It really doesn't matter. You can make one section be pricing. Of course, you're going to have to customize this to your business and what you need. But you know, this is just to show you how powerful these agents can be. Okay. It is doing it right now. It's scraping the lead. It's doing the research, so it's going to take slightly longer because I've deleted that research. You can make this a separate system too. You can have one system as the research agent, one as the proposal generator. I've combined them both together. You know, if there's something you want built for your business and you don't want to have to go through all this learning and work, reach out to me below. I do offer this as a service. But you can also learn how to build it for free, which is the other thing. And there you go. So boom, there it's gone, and it's done all the research for the company, which I'm not going to get into. I just want to show you the proposal just to keep the video short. So let's open this up. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, it has generated a proposal here, but it's made a mistake, and this is quite common with AI agents, and I figured I'll show this instead of pretending like AI is going to do all this stuff and, you know, be not need a lot of work. But what it's done is basically it's took the proposal, but it's pretended it's actually this company. So instead of creating a proposal that is geared to that company, custom to that company, and trying to sell them on our services, it's created a proposal that's pretending that they are that company. So it's done about the company, our team, our vision, blah, 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 which is not what I wanted to achieve. The original proposal that I created here is geared to selling them on our service. So this is a better example. So what I've done is I've just told AI basically what this issue is. It's now rewriting the code to make it more geared to the positioning, and it's going to regenerate it right now. And then once that's done, I'm going to open it up. Hopefully it doesn't look terrible, but I thought I'd show that as kind of an example of AI agents. And, you know, there is issues with them, but it's usually just a few prompts and you can get it back on track. But, you know, you still need someone to build these for you if you're not building them yourself. Okay, so here you can see it's regenerated that proposal. I'm just going to open it up here. As you can see, you know, it's got about the opportunity for the company. It's geared towards this company. It's created this new design. It's got a few different points on what we can do for them. Obviously, you're going to change that custom to your business. This is just generic, so it looks kind of silly, but obviously you're going to change it more geared to your business. I'm actually going to make a real outreach system geared to me selling my automation services and my conversion engine, and I'm going to show you that live because I think showing dummy data just kind of dumbs it down. I want to show it in like a real life scenario, so subscribe and all that stuff if you want to see that. But as you can see, you've got a proposal system generating them in seconds. You can use any design in Canva. You can give the prompt information, you can give the AI information to make this more customized to your business, and it's gonna allow you to scale your outreach with all that extra work. Building something like this, proposals in Canva, is something that, you know, it just takes time, and it's time that most entrepreneurs and solopreneurs don't have. So literally just get yourself a design, get a proposal that's like relevant to your business. It might be better if you just fully design one first, but if you don't want to do that and you want to save time, just grab a PDF, throw it into your AI, and you know, build this scalable outreach system. If you want to learn how to do this with a bit more bite-sized tutorials and a lot more technical details, join my community below. If you'd rather have me build something like this, also reach out and I'll point you in the right direction, or hire me to do it for you. I hope you like watching this video. It's a little bit scattered on all the information, but I hope you find it valuable, and I'd appreciate it if you like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.